Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're exploring the exquisite Sadnyy 33 inches paper umbrellas, a set of 12 beautifully crafted decorative parasols perfect for adding a touch of elegance to any occasion. These umbrellas are made from high-quality oiled paper and solid wood ribs, ensuring durability and a delightful retro aesthetic that captures the essence of Oriental culture. With their smooth, flat surfaces and sturdy handles, these umbrellas are not only easy to hold but also ideal for DIY painting projects, allowing you to unleash your creativity and personalize them with your favorite designs. Their impressive 33-inch size makes them both practical and eye-catching, whether you're using them as wedding decorations, Asian-themed party decor, or even as unique photography and cosplay props. The pure white surface provides a blank canvas for your imagination, making them perfect for creating memorable moments with family and friends. These versatile umbrellas are sure to leave a lasting impression, whether you're using them as stage performance props or giving them as thoughtful party favors. So, if you're looking to infuse your event with a touch of elegance and cultural beauty, these paper umbrellas are the perfect choice. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.